Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Venmo login issues, app and account solutions step by step clearly. First, confirm your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and try opening a normal website. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds. Turn it off, then try logging in again. Check if Venmo is down by searching Venmo status in your browser and reviewing outage reports. Restart your phone completely and reopen Venmo to clear temporary glitches. Update the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play to the latest version. Close Venmo from recent apps and open it again to refresh the login session. Set your phone date and time to automatic because incorrect time can break secure sign-in. Disable any VPN or proxy app temporarily because it may block Venmo security checks. If you use iPhone, go to Settings, Venmo, and allow cellular data so the app can connect. If you use Android, go to Settings, Apps, Venmo, Mobile Data, and allow background and data usage. Clear cache on Android by going to Settings, Apps, Venmo, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If cache does not help, tap Clear Data on Android, then open Venmo and sign in again. On iPhone, uninstall Venmo and reinstall it to refresh the app files because cache cannot be cleared manually. Make sure you are entering the correct phone number, email, and password with no extra spaces. Use the Forgot Password option and create a new strong password. Then try signing in. Check your email and SMS inbox for Venmo security codes and enter the latest code only. If codes are not arriving, verify your phone number can receive SMS and your mailbox is not full. Go to your email app and search for Venmo to find verification messages in spam or junk folders. If you recently changed your phone, update your number through Venmo settings or use account recovery. If you see too many attempts, wait at least 30 minutes before trying again to avoid lockouts. Try logging in on another device or the web to confirm whether the issue is your phone or your account. If web login works, remove and re-add your saved password in your password manager. If you get a security error, ensure your device is not rooted or jailbroken because Venmo may block it. Check that your device has enough free storage because low storage can stop apps from working correctly. Review app permissions and allow necessary access like network and notifications for login prompts. If your account is frozen or limited, open the Venmo email about the restriction and follow the requested steps. Contact Venmo support in the app or at help.venmo.com and provide screenshots of the exact error message. While waiting, keep the app updated and avoid repeated retries that can trigger additional security blocks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.